Hi, welcome to Stephanie Takes on Pinterest. If you're like me, you have a ton of stuff pinned on your Pinterest boards, but maybe you haven't tried many of them. I know I haven't. So my new challenge is to take on Pinterest and go through different things that I've pinned in the past, maybe find some new ones, and see if I can do them. So today I have strawberry Sundae cupcakes that I'm going to try, and they look delicious and beautiful, of course, on Pinterest. First things first is I have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, our next step, it says to blend all the dry ingredients. I will include in the description down below the link so you can find this recipe too. It would help if I plugged my kitchen in. That might be as good as it's gonna get. Still a little clumpy, but hopefully it works. I did see this one baking hack where you use a cookie scooper instead, so I'm gonna try that this time. Alright, let's see how it works. So it's one of those cookie scoopers that has the little thing that pushes it off when you squeeze it. Oh, already not going so well. Not too bad though. Cookie scooper's working really well too. I do like that. Well, I didn't have quite 24, but 23 is pretty good. And I don't feel like I overfilled any of them because it's only a cookie scooper bowl. So I'm gonna wipe up the stuff that spilled and then we'll stick these in the oven. Toothpick with me to check to see if they're baked all the way through. That is hot. Came out clean, looks like they're ready. Cupcakes have cooled off enough that I think they're ready to frost, so I'm going to fill my piping bag. I'm just using a Wilton piping bag. I do cut the tip, star-shaped one, I don't know what they're technically called. So we're going to fill that up and then we'll start piping in all the strawberry. Alright, I'm going to probably stop there because I don't want to go too full. And then I always like to test it a little bit first in here just to make sure. Good to go. Oh yeah, that'll be cute. Alright. I'm gonna try to just do a swirly design. That turned out pretty cute. Alright, here are all the frosted cupcakes. I think they look pretty good. Alright, now that the cupcakes are all frosted, we can get started on the ganache. Alright, and then it says to go ahead and microwave this mixture until the cream begins to boil. About 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to let that sit there and thicken. Do you want to play while we wait for the chocolate to melt? Do you want to play with your ball while we wait for the chocolate to melt? Should we do that? What do you think? Alright, now it has been 10 minutes. Again, it's still really runny. It's a tad warm, so maybe I could let it cool, but I'd like to just get started. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it works, and you know, if it's a disaster, then I'll wait longer. to say those turned out super cute. I love them. And I think I'm gonna have to try one of these cupcakes now. I think we'll have to do this cute little guy. By the way, they turned out so cute. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can. I really like how they look all together. I was a little worried once I put that ganache on there that it was not as pretty, but with the sprinkles and the cherry, it really puts it in. Good thing. I think this is a little too messy though to just eat because of all the drippy chocolate, so I'm gonna do it with a fork. Here we go, I'm gonna dig in. Ooh, I don't even know how to do this with a cupcake wrapper. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. That is really good. Definitely will be making these again. Well, I want to say thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you would like to see me try anything else, please put it in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.